dear friends. Today in our video review we present you with a haircut shag for different hair lengths. Please watch the review to the end and maybe even you will look for yourself the most amazing fashionable haircut. We present to your attention fashionable, extraordinary and original options for haircuts with different types, colors, and lengths of hair. Haircut shag distinguishes from others this chaos and mess on the head. It is created due to the voluminous crown and torn strands randomly laid on the head. In view of the fact that such a haircut adds volume to the hair, it is highly recommended for girls and women with thin hair. But do not think that if your hair is thick and knotty, then shag will not suit you. On the contrary, for unruly hair, the shag haircut is simply the best solution. It will not only relieve them of excessive density but also give the correct shape to the hair sticking out in different directions. The shag haircut looks very sexy, but you need to remember that it suits the owners of an impatient and slightly eccentric character. Shag also needs to be able to wear. If you are to correct a woman, then it is better to find another haircut option. But if you want change and creativity, then the haircut is what you need. What do you need to know about the technique of performance? Haircut she can be performed both along the entire length of the hair and on any specific area. The basic rule of this haircut is 90-degree pull and large-scale profiling. According to the technique of execution, such a haircut is a bit like a short flight of stairs. However, if there is a strict clarity of lines and some orderliness, then the strands are cut in absolutely chaotic order. It's important to know. An inaccurate haircut and busting with profiling can greatly spoil your appearance. The ideal length for a shag haircut would be medium length or short hair. On curls, such a haircut looks especially beautiful. When performing a haircut on curly hair, the strands are twisted into flagella and then cut to the desired length. The classic shag came to us from the 1970s, along with the fashion for casual, profiled ends in short hairstyles. Literally translated from English, shaggy means shaggy or tousled. Overseas, the shag has become something of a trendy hairstyle and has taken one of the leading positions among the most popular full-fledged haircuts. Whether your hair type is curly, straight, fine, or thick, you can't go wrong with the shag cut because this versatile haircut looks good on everyone. A stylish haircut with intriguing accents in the form of uneven cuts, layers, torn strands, and asymmetry is in the trend of the upcoming season. They will make your image creative, cheerful, attractive, emphasizing your individuality, rejuvenating you for 10 years. Dear girls and women, get inspired by our video review and create your own unique style. Modern shag haircuts add your look a stylish edgy twist, moving your hairstyles to the next level. A shag is fantastic in any length. Short shaggy hairstyles are extremely sassy and sexy. With a medium shag haircut you're easily getting on trend disheveled styles, while long shag haircuts are famous for their incredible all-over layers. Shags are equally good on fine and thick, curly and straight hair. Shag haircuts for fine hair boost volume, and curly shag haircuts are great to settle recalcitrant frizz. And don't forget to view the latest shaggy bob haircuts, if you don't mind surprising your good old bob with a modern quirk. Today very few women opt to have their tresses cut in one-length styles. Beauties, we wish you beauty and happiness. Take care of yourself, love yourself. Thank you for watching the review to the end. The best thanks from you is to like and share the video with friends and family. Click on the bell so you don't miss new videos.